Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to insert multiple rows in Excel. So it is very simple to do. Let's start the video. So you can see this is the small table. I want to insert 3 rows in the middle of the table. Right click and insert. You can see it is only insert 1 rows. Again right click and insert. So one by one I can insert only 1 rows. So if you want to insert multiple rows, then select how many rows you want to insert. So it is 5. You can say 1 2 3 4 5. Select 5 rows and right click and click on insert. You can see 5 rows inserted. So when you select 2, then it will insert only 2. If you insert multiple, it will be insert multiple. You can see. So it is very easy. Hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.